How to cut wood stove glass. Brought to you by Glassopolis Specialty Glass, leaders in high temperature and fire-rated glazing. There are millions of wood stoves in use, and when the glass is broken, your customer needs replacement right away. You'll need SCHOTT ROBAX, world-leading wood stove glass. Order Robax blanks from Glassopolis, available in many sizes. Here's what you need to do the job. You'll need a glass cutter, straight edge, tape measure, some oil, some gloves, safety glasses, and a pair of pliers. Here's a tip. Note that the score line will be 1/16 of an inch away from your straight edge. And be sure to use an oil or lubricant on your cutting wheel. Once you know the dimensions of your rectangle, use your straight edge and glass cutter to score a line in the glass, applying 10 to 12 pounds of pressure. After scoring the glass, use the edge of the table and push down to snap the glass cleanly. Next, measure and score the glass for your second cut. For narrow strips, use pliers to snap the glass along the score line. And there's your piece of replacement glass. If your customer needs an arched piece of glass, use the broken pieces to make a template. You can use some tape to hold the broken pieces together to make your template. Now you can use your template to cut the replacement part. Remember that the cutting wheel is 1/16 of an inch off from your template, so move your template down 1/16 of an inch to get it perfect.
Right there.
Lift your template off the glass to avoid scratching. Snap the glass at the score line. Mark the glass and use your straight edge to make your second score line.
Down like this.
Snap off the trim at the score line using pliers if needed. Check the glass against the template to make sure it's correct.
This cut is fresh.
The piece looks good. Order Robax from Glassopolis and meet your customers' needs for replacement wood stove glass.